Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix the Roblox error the application encountered an unrecoverable error. Chapter 1. How to fix Roblox app encountered unrecoverable error adjusting shortcut. To start, you are going to right-click on the Roblox shortcut. Select Properties. After that, in the Compatibility tab, check the boxes, run this program as an administrator, and disable full-screen optimizations. Click on Apply and OK. Chapter 2. How to fix Roblox app encountered unrecoverable error updating the driver. To start, right-click on Start and choose Device Manager. Here in the Display Adapters section, right-click on the driver, select Update Driver. In this new window, click on Search automatically for drivers. Wait for this process to finish. Chapter 3. How to fix Roblox app encountered an unrecoverable error deleting folder. To get started, in the search box enter %local application data %. Click on File folder. Here, select the Roblox folder, click Delete. Chapter 4. How to fix Roblox app encountered an unrecoverable error from the browser. To get started, open Google Chrome, click on the menu and then on Settings. After that, in the Privacy and Security section, click on Third-Party Cookies. Then click on See All Site Data and Permissions. Here, search for Roblox. Click on the trash icon and confirm the deletion. Chapter 5. How to fix Roblox app encountered an unrecoverable error reinstalling Roblox. To start, on the search box enter Control. Click on Uninstall a program. Here, select Roblox, click on Uninstall, confirm this action. Now go to the link that we left you in the video description. Press and download Windows app. When the file downloads, tap on it, click Run and wait for Roblox to be installed on the system. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.